Hey, Colorado Springs and Monument. Best Bath and Shower has an offer for you. Have you been dreaming of a customized spa-like bathroom? Or perhaps you have been shopping bath and shower conversions? Well, now's the time for you to save 10% off of our price to design and build your new spa bath. Or we'll beat your current competitive bid with like quality product by 10%. Either way, you save. Keep watching to see how to get your discount. Not all licensed general contractors or their products are the same. Best Baths and Showers is a licensed Tiverian surfaces dealer and installer. This means we can save you on over 100 beautiful and elegant colors and finishes. And that, plus the 10% off sale, is going to make your dream affordable. We have financing plans starting at $89 a month. You dream it, and we'll build it. Choose from among hundreds of ethically sourced, elegant cultured marble surrounds and take 10% off your entire project. Our team can show you hundreds of easy, clean bath spa room ideas, with some designs making your bath spa room more accessible with barrier-free shower installs and walk-in bathtubs. Our cultured marble is made from a unique blend of natural minerals and resins, making them extremely durable and resistant to stains, scratches, and chipping. They have the look, feel, weight, texture of stone or tile, but without the cost or depleting native stone. We create environments with your personal style and design preferences, and on a budget. We're the largest custom deck installer in Douglas County. Ask us about our custom composite decks and pergolas and patio covers, our wow factor outdoor kitchens with living areas and fire pits and stamped and colored concrete, and, well, you just dream it and we can build it. Come on, get your free estimate and 10% off coupon today. Simply fill out the form below. But you gotta hurry, our offer ends very soon.